Hey everyone, it's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to our TWE Sniper entry. Today I'm gonna be showing you two examples of how to use the sniper entries. Pretty damn accurate. I love it. So hopefully you also like it as well. So let me go ahead and get to the point, show you how the system works. Let me make a small introduction of how and how you're gonna be working with this one. First of all, you're gonna be getting our multiple time frame dashboard, which is gonna tell you exactly what all the baby time frame is doing from 1 minute all the way to 1 hour. Those are, in my opinion, those are small time frames. And also you're gonna be seeing what 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly are performing. So another thing, let me go ahead and delete this so I will not get you confused. I want to keep this nice and clean. Right, so right now the way how we do it is we always gonna be paying attention what our multiple time frame is doing. Then our sniper entry is gonna let us know, oh, we are in a sell position, and all you're gonna be looking is for this red stairmaster coming down. Look at that, market is telling you that we are in a sell position back then, and that's exactly what the market did. Boom, market drop. Then what else happening here? Market says that we are now officially in a buy position in real time, right? So right now, look at the stairs walking. So you can change the color however you want, and also you can change the text on a buy or sell. You can put your name, you can put your wife, your kids, whatever you want. So you're gonna be able to change the text in there, and that's exactly right now the market is telling us it's in a buy position. However, guys, right now we are trading AUD JPY and we are in 200 pips, right? So that's then pretty good amount of pips in there. So very easy to get. But remember, the trend right now is letting us know we are buying, right? So right now our multiple time frame give us a heads up. Irving, we are getting ready for a sell position. That's what the lower time frame was letting me know here. So I ended on 50 minutes. So 50 minutes was telling me I'm in a sell position. So let's, you know what, let's do it together. Let's go to 50 minutes so you can see exactly why I took that trade. Let me go ahead and delete all these drawings so it will not get you confused. So my job here is to make you understand now how I make these pips just by looking at the dashboard, and it make the job a lot easier instead of guessing. To be honest, you're gonna be taking all this guessing out of your chest, and all you have to do is look at the real time frames. Basically all the time frames, they're gonna be telling you in real time what the market is doing, so all the guessing is out of your league. So let's go ahead and look at this. This is 50 minutes. Let me just prove you guys that 50 minutes is selling. Look at this one. So our multiple time frame coming in here tells Irving we are in a sell position. This is our first entry. Then we add more position right in here, and look at what happened, guys. Did the market drop? Of course it did. Look at that, it's selling. Everyone is in a sell position on AUD JPY. Right, so that's what it's doing in this present time. So market is doing a retracement going against our TWE, which is good. So that's what you want to grab. You want to grab those pip in and out. So let's say you love to trade 1 hour. Maybe you are not a 50 minutes trader, because I don't know what time frames or what is your style of trading, but I mean the system will tell you, hey, 1 hour selling, 1 minute is also selling. Same thing with 5 minutes. So everyone is in a sell position here. So all you gotta do is go to any lower time frame you wish. Look at what 1 hour is doing, guys. Look at that. 1 hour is also selling. That's simple. You know what? Let me do one more example so you can see it, guys. Or you know what? Let's stick on this one. If you guys want to stay here, you don't want to go move to any other time frame. But I mean, if you do, I can look up on Euro USD if you don't mind. So let me go ahead and grab and drop Euro USD so you can see how we also are gonna analyze this one. Pay attention on Euro USD, guys. Euro USD is very heavy selling. Very heavy. Always look when you install this indicator on your NT4, guys. Please always put it on your 4 hours. 4 hours is the key for you to see what the market is doing. Look at here, guys. Euro USD is in a very bullish position at this present time. We are in a real time. So right now, if you see here, look at that, multiple time frame come in, the sniper entry also come in here, and look what, look at the stairs, look at that, boom, 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 boom. So the market went only one direction, and boom, market took off and went bullish. Look at this one. This is very neat, guys. You are gonna love this one. Look at when it was sell. Look at the stairs coming down, 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 down. And what happened? Boom, market drop. So, but at this real time, because look, guys, one thing that I want to remind everyone is always pay attention what real time is doing, guys, because that's all it matters. That's how we make money in this market. What is gonna happen, for example, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's the only way that we know how to make money, right? Because we're not gonna be making money on back data. So right now, look, pay attention. Look at that baby time frame. 15 minutes saying that we're gonna sell, 30 minutes sell, 1 hour sell, 1 minute sell. Oh, 5 minutes contradicting. It's saying that it's in a buy position. All right, let's go to the 50 minutes so we can see how simple this stuff is. So if you go to the 50 minute, what? Look, the indicator is letting you know, hey, I'm in a sell position. It's that simple. It's giving you a heads up what real time market is the trend is going to. It's selling. It's not in a buy position. If you are put in a buy position, I don't know if you are trading this one, to be honest, but if you are trading this pair and going bullish, oh my goodness. So you're gonna see it for yourself. Let me delete this stuff so I can make it nice and sweet, and so we all can understand each other. So this is, I mean, I'm telling you guys, I'm very excited how this indicator performed. And by the way, you can get it, the link is below. And do me a favor, guys, if you guys watching us for the first time, make sure you do subscribe. It's free. It's not gonna cost you anything, so you never miss a video for us. And we also do live analysis on Saturday and Sunday, and then we release it what the week is gonna be performing, basically. So make sure you do subscribe so you can never miss those videos that we do bring up in here. All right, let me go ahead and click on what time frame? 50 minute, right? Let me do that. And look at that, 50 minute is right on the point. Look at here, a multiple time frame come in, letting us know, oh, we also what? Selling. But our TWE Sniper entry gave us the heads up ahead of time that we were selling. So 50 minute is selling. Boom, guys. So this TWE Sniper entry is what you really need to have on your NT4. Look at that, 30 minute, it's also selling, guys. So everything is selling. Let's say you don't like to trade 50 minute, because 50 minutes is not for everyone. Look, guys, one thing that I can remind you is find your niche. I don't know what time frame is your entry. Always analyze the market on 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. It's very important for you to understand which direction you are heading to. Now, once you know that direction of the trend, then you can enter on any lower time frame. But you need to find your niche and which time frame you are going to be trading, because I really don't know if you are a 5 minute trader, 1 minute trader, 50 minute, 30 minute, or either 1 hour. Nothing is wrong by trading a small time frame, but you need to figure it out, because if you don't, then Forex is not gonna work for you, to be honest. I just want to make sure that you guys understand that. But let me go ahead and click on 30 minute, right? Because you guys want to see 30 minute, and then we cut the video from here, guys. So you guys, I just want to keep it nice and sweet so you can see how beautifully our sniper entry works. And boom, look at that, beautifully. Look at that, 30 minute is also selling. So everything here in Euro USD is letting us know the market, it is selling, guys. So this is the type of indicator you really need to have it in there. I'm very, very, very amazed of how it performs, guys. It performed very accurately. So super happy, to be honest. Come and join us if you guys want to. The link is below. And I mean, if you want, you don't have to, but I just wanted to make this video so you guys can see exactly how we are trading our system. So again, this is what you guys gonna be getting with this sniper entry, guys. You're gonna be able to customize your text here. You can put your name, your daughter, your son, your wife, whatever you want. So you're gonna put it on the buy position. Same thing is gonna happen on the sell, and you're gonna be getting the stairs here letting you know what the market is doing. And additional, guys, you also gonna be getting our multiple time frame dashboard, which is gonna tell you in real time what the market is doing on any time frame that you wish. It's real time. So it's damn pretty good, amazing thing, guys. Hopefully, I don't know if you guys really are interested, but if you guys want to find out more about it, come and check out our website. The link is below, and become a member if you want to. You're not gonna regret it. This is gonna be the best investment of your lifetime. All right, so again, today we are just reviewing how to get sniper entries using our tool. So hopefully this video is gonna make your job a lot easier. Comment below if you do have any question, and hopefully I will see you on the other side of the aisle. Okay, take care, guys. Peace. Remember, stay safe, respect your family. It's very important, and every life matters, guys. Let's go. Time to see what the market is doing on the other side of the aisle. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. It's you in the market. It's you in the market. TWE Sniper entry is waiting for you. Let's go. Time to make the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. Take care, guys.